Hello everyone, welcome to the daily analysis video. First I would like to discuss the reasons or the logic behind what was there that I went short in Bank Nifty and how I made this more than 2 lakhs profit just within intraday trade. No positional trades were there, as you can see, go and see, and all trades were taken in Bank Nifty. Today's expiry, and yes. Also, I mentioned on X, that is Bank Nifty sell on rise, and also 50,400 P bought at 80.70. So all these I mentioned, and so what was the reason? That is the big question. Why wild moves came in Bank Nifty, and move came till 50,391. So which is almost like near about the lows that were made on Monday. So it all started, if you look at here, that is, it all started, this video was shared on Monday evening. It was shared, and I clearly mentioned that money flow was very bearish at the last hour on Monday in Bank Nifty, not in Fin Nifty, in Bank Nifty, and showing that big guys have shorted Bank Nifty for this expiry Wednesday. And suddenly, like yesterday, Bank Nifty shot up like nothing else. Okay, so there was a huge question that what was happening. Even like I was short in Fin Nifty yesterday, and like Fin Nifty pumped up, and I was like amazed. Like I was like thinking that yes, it should reverse, but it was just pumping up. So even if you see here, that is like I went short yesterday in Fin Nifty, and but the main thing is that yes, like I said, that analysis is not matching, or the move might be fake. So the move was fake indeed, because you see that Monday at the lows, at the last hour or the last 30 minutes when the call writing positions were made, so the call writers got trapped heavily, and I was watching that yes, the call writers are still there. So the fall started like last, I mean, if you can see here, that is the last half, and it completed today. So it came exactly to the same level almost, giving exit to the call writers, and then it moved a little up, and that up also I'll explain. So as I said, like I'll discuss everything with proof, so you have the proofs. That is, go and check the Monday's analysis video. I clearly mentioned that not in Nifty, in Bank Nifty, short positions have been built up, and our AI money flow was indicating that. So and see, what happens is that analysis was perfectly fine, everything was fine. Now you can see that analysis was correct, but sometimes being a trader, life is very frustrating, and that's why yesterday I was very frustrated and couldn't make the video. And also, moreover, like if you see that though market went against me, I had a huge loss, but I only closed at 22,000 loss. Why? Because I have mentioned this several times, that is, if you are selling, so put a stop loss in the selling position, not in the hedge. You should also hedge, but don't put stop loss in the hedging position. So when market shoots up like this, your hedging position goes sometimes more than 10x or whatever. So it will recover the loss, much of the losses it will recover. And sometimes also you can do like this, that is, suppose you have sold 10 lots, you buy 12 lots for hedging. So then also, like I mean, it helps you a lot. And even like when market is in a bullish mode, and I have also, like after that, like I have closed my positions and said that big guys have made long positions. Okay, so fresh long positions made by the big guys, and yes, so you can also then go long, and not only the hedging position, so the you can go long and recover the loss. Okay, and even like in the second half as well, like again. Like I took some trades that were profitable. Yes, so that went good, and finally, like overall I closed it at a minimal loss. So that's the idea. But today, yes, the losses were easily recovered, and if you see here, that is 20. So the major profit came from 50,400 PE. So if you look at here, that is today. So in the morning, short at 50,400 PE. And 170, and then closed at 127, then shorted calls at 63, 100, and finally I closed this at 32. So I'll explain the reason why I closed it at 32. So and again, then scalping was I started, and for 50,400 PE, bought at 40, closed at 55. Then this was shared on X. The average price was 75, closed at 92. And then again bought at 64, closed at 73. then bought at 59, and also bought at 52, then closed at 68. So one of these trades, if I would have hold, like it went more than 2x, but anyways, no regret. So again, bought at 48, closed at 61, and finally, like, I was done for the day. So look at when I closed all my positions, 1428. So it was here, that is 1428. Bank Nifty was almost at its bottom. Okay, so the thing is that when, like, Bank Nifty fell here, so the call buyers were active. Okay, so the call buyers bought 50,500 CE at an interval of 45 to 60 range. Okay, so they were buying in huge quantity, but again there was pressure from the put side as well, so put side buyers were also active. So they I mean, finally took it down, and so I, like, left, because last hour anything could happen. Even the both side buyers were present, and anyone can win. So the thing is that you should leave. And moreover, so these type of up moves that are coming nowadays, if you see here, that is, whenever up moves are coming, so it's like no exit. Like when down moves are coming, so if you are still like a bullish bull, so you get many exit. Okay, because you see many exits are given. But when it's going up, if you are bearish, you don't get exit. Like this shot up and this shot up. So this is happening. Why? Because if you see that like the central banks are, they are printing money, and they are pumping into the stock market. So you see that the pattern you see is that in log aa rahe hain, or matlab they are just continuously coming, and just they don't see the price or whatever or wherever the index is, like they just put the money. Okay, so buy kar lete bas. So that's the reason, like I left it here. That is, yes, I got my profits and I was done for the day. So anyways, not only yesterday's losses recovered, like if you have been following me, so you must be like knowing, like here I have now shared my like past 3 weeks. I think I have shared for every day, almost every day. So I think yeah, so one day I think last Friday, except that, like every day I have shared. So now you can see the result and everything. So those who were telling me that one cannot be profitable every day, and all option buying positions cannot be closed into green, so I have shown you that yes, it can. Yes, out of 10 days, one day it will hit you bad. That day you will make mistake, you will go into loss. But why leave the 9 days just for one day? So anyways, now coming down to the analysis part, that is the levels worked out perfectly. So as you can see, this level 50,783. So Bank Nifty, like morning also, like today it got resistance almost near to that, came down, and it went like exactly to the place where the call writers were present and gave them exit, and again went up and again went to our next level. So talking about Nifty, if you look at here, this level 24,695 was shared yesterday. If you go and check out my analysis here, that is EOD analysis I posted yesterday, this one. So I mentioned this level, and as you can see today Nifty went up and took support at that level, and then finally went up. So now talking about the option chain and EOD data. So let's go and check the yeah, let's go and check the sorry. Yeah, so today is 21st. So if you look at here, that is, if you see futures activity by the FII, so almost like nil, and they have made some futures short, but prop bets they have made some futures long. Talking about here, you won't understand because positions have been closed, but if you look at the overall position, so yesterday also in the EOD data I mentioned clearly that the FIIs and the prop decks, they are both call writers and put writers. So you saw that, like today Bank Nifty did not move much, like it was in a narrow range trading like the last up move, otherwise it was in a very narrow range overall. So anyways, talking about here, that is overall FIIs are put buyers. So I think these put buying is like hedging for the call, hedging for the futures long positions that they have made, and talking about here that they are overall call buyers as well. So they are option buyers overall. Talking about prop decks here are call. Talking about the call side, they are call writers now, and looking at the put side, they are put writers now. So I think like market would be a little harsh to the option buyers, and so you have to find the perfect opportunity for option buying. Otherwise, like it's a like for the sellers, I think it will be a good opportunity, giving both the side moves and giving exit to both the writers, call writers and put writers. And yeah, so that's what I think. And tomorrow we have Nifty expiry, so let's discuss Nifty and the like option chain. So if you look at here option chain, so in the money put writers have closed, and out of the money some put writers are there, like 24,500 and here as well. So but if you look at the outside region, that is 24,800 and outside, so 25,000 also, like if you see that call writers are there, also 24,800 call writers are there. So again both the sides, call writers and put writers are there. So I think we will be looking for a narrow range move, and so above we have like 24,845 and below we have this 24,695 or 700. So 150 points gap is this. So I think market will move, Nifty might move in this 150 range until unless some call buyers comes or put buyers becomes active tomorrow. So for now that's my analysis. And money flow also like performed nicely. Even in the morning it was negative here, showing that big guys have shorted, and then finally like here it went up. So 1447 the score went from negative to suddenly jumped to positive. Anyways, like last moment any move can come, so you should not be like even like as you saw in Nifty yesterday everyone was bullish, last moment it just fell. So what happens is that it's better to leave the market when you are in profit. So just leave the market, okay? So yes, so that's the idea. Like even to, I should say like yesterday, if you don't believe, so it doesn't matter. Yesterday before going into loss, like I was in profit. So yes, morning went into loss, then into profit, and then finally like that last move in Nifty went into, gave me into loss. Otherwise I would have yesterday also closed into green. But anyways, no regret. So again talking about Nifty, if you see here, that is long positions were built up in Nifty in the morning, and also some short positions, as I said, like call writers are also active, put writers are also active. So both the sides writing has happened, okay? And that's my overall analysis. And again if you found my analysis helpful, and if you found also my live analysis helpful, so please don't forget to put a like. And I think I deserve a like for this post. So I think it helped you a lot. And this Bank Nifty sell on rise, I posted it at around 12:23. So even after that also this big red candle came, Bank Nifty fell. And also like also I posted this trade of mine, which also gave a 23% return. Your FD gives a return of 6 to 7% over a year. So if you think that these type of analysis can help you during the live market hours, you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group, where you get access to the money flow indicators, and you get access to the Telegram channel, where I share my trades and the big guys positions and my live analysis, and where they have bought and so on and so forth. So yes, and yeah, that's it for this video. So thanks for watching, and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.